Welcome back to the Elanix AI YouTube channel, helping you save time, money, and avoid the headache. In today's video, I'll be giving you a very simple, short explanation on the difference between an AI LLM like ChatGPT and an AI agent. Understanding this will give you just a little bit of knowledge in the area with all this new emerging technologies, help you spot some opportunities, and also understand the services we offer here at Elanix. So an LLM, when we talk about AI in the AI space, an LLM is something like ChatGPT, large language model, and what it does is it takes information from a data set or from its knowledge base, and it gives answers and almost thinks from the knowledge base. So ChatGPT is just a very smart, huge knowledge base, but at the end of the day, all the LLM can do is pull answers from that knowledge base and provide that to you. Almost like a super smart librarian, encyclopedia type thing. But when it comes to AI agents, right, the difference here is the agent is like an LLM but can take actions as well. So using a personal example from Elanix AI, posting on Instagram, the AI can actually do that. And what that means is we can build some very complex systems because the intelligence of the LLM can now be utilized to perform actions as well without as much human intervention as needed before. So a good example of an AI agent would be a call assistant or a marketing system like the one we sell here at Elanix. This AI agent is able to generate captions based on the images you upload, take those captions and post it along with a picture from your Google Drive to one of your social media platforms. That's an example of an AI agent that's able to take actions as well as use the artificial intelligence, the knowledge base, whatever data you feed it, and actually do something with it. A more advanced example could maybe be a chat system, a chat agent that's able to convert leads, warm leads to hot leads or cold leads to warm leads, whatever the case is, and then actually take them through a lead nurturing process that's completely automated as well. But overall, you should now understand the difference between an AI agent and a standard LLM, large language model. Hope that helped. See you soon.